This is a 1994 White Westinghouse WCI air conditioner. It's a 5200 BTU. It has an A.O. Smith fan motor, just like that Emerson Quiet Cool that I have. So I hope it doesn't have the same bearing issues. Probably won't, but it's in pretty good shape. 3-speed. That's the only damage. It's got a clean filter. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Here's the information. .2 amps. Not sure who the compressor is made by yet. It doesn't look like an LG compressor or a Sanyo, so I'll have to open it up and find out, and I'll show that later. But yeah, I'm gonna start it up. Thermostat is clicking, so we'll go to cool and start on high. Very quiet. We're getting good airflow through the coil, so it must not be dusty. The fins do have to be straightened out in some areas, though. It's getting cold already. Nice strong airflow for such a quiet unit. Okay, so after looking closer, Goldstar compressor, which is the same as LG, so yeah, it's pretty much an LG compressor. Sounds good, it's nice and quiet. Blowing nice and cold. Here is the 94 White Westinghouse down in the basement now. I took it apart and cleaned it. It really wasn't dirty inside, but I wanted to rinse the condenser anyway, and there was a little bit of dust on the evaporator coil, so I cleaned all that off. So I'm going to start it up. These side panels need to be replaced. They're broken. I mean, not this part, just the panels themselves. They're kind of deteriorated. So I got the meter up there. We'll see how many amps it draws. Let's go up to high. This is rated at 6.2 amps. low. Here it is after a few minutes. Alright, here we are on low after a little while. Go up to a medium. And and it was low again. Head pressure dropped a little bit because I turned it on high. Now it's going back up. So there it is. Runs great, gets ice cold. It's all clean, it's ready for use. I'm going to use my fin combs to straighten out the bent parts of the condenser. Okay, I got it all straightened out. That's what we're pulling right now on low. I had it running the whole time, so yep, it's working great. This thing is definitely pulling the humidity out of the air. You can hear it sloshing around in there. This does have a drain hole on the bottom, but nothing's coming out yet.